All right, the R is for real, real. All right, so think of that like being nakedly authentic, is another way I say being real. But is being real and courageous two different things? Yes, it is. Yes, you can be real and not be courageous. You could be who you are and not share anything that has vulnerability. I mean, I'm being real right now, but I haven't shared anything of how I feel about something. With my husband's passing, knew exactly where I was, and they could see it on my face. I couldn't hide it. And so I was very, very real at where I was in the process and in my grief. And then since that time, I've been very real at where I am now, which is much better place, I'll tell you. Okay. So being real means being who you are and not trying to cover it up, not trying to mask it, not trying to just be something you're not. And I'm not talking about fake it till you make it. I hate that saying. I hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. I'm talking about you be real and who you are. That's how you make it, by being who you are.